always keep going. Always. You know, there's been times, particularly early in my career, where it just feels like this is the end. But what I've come to find out is that, you know, no matter what happens, the storm eventually ends. And when the storm does end, you want to make sure that you're ready. And so I've really learned to put one foot in front of the other, good, bad, or indifferent, because eventually that storm passes.
But the G-force in this car is crazy, bro. Oh my god. Y'all been telling every YouTuber ever, forever, to get an M5 comp, and nobody has done it. When I'm glad they didn't, because I wanted the M5 comp since like last year. So, with that being said, we finally got the M5 comp. I waited for the perfect time, the perfect moment, and we got it. And we accomplished it, man.
We got it. Let's try it and rate it 1 through 10.
I give it
You gotta put your hands together.
I have the M5 competition 2021. Just purchased it about 3 years ago, and we're finna try it out. Let's see how it is. Oh! Alright, after trying the M5 competition, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Bro, I didn't know who he was until that's why I didn't know who that nigga was until maybe a month ago. We gotta go pick up one of my partners so he can get a reaction to the M5 competition. What you think about the M5 comp? Let me get you. What you think?
This is geek, bro. Geek to freak up. Like, words can't explain how quick this is, bro. I can't lie. I'm not lying. Like, if you sitting right there behind this screen thinking, oh, he just saying shit, I'm not just saying shit.
Try to hold your head up. This is fun. I don't know why. It's just like the M8, but it's just the fact that it's bigger in here. It's definitely bigger than the M8 in here. The M8 is a bigger car, but if it makes sense, the M5 is bigger on the inside. I don't know how it works.
Hey, this ain't no Grand Coupe.
No Grand Coupe. Actual sedan. It's giving sedan. Well, yeah, we finna pick up one of my partners. We gonna get his reaction, so I'm gonna catch y'all when we pull up to his crib. No cap. All right, my nigga Joe, what's good, Joe?
What's up, gang?
How you feel about the new whip? How you feeling about the new whip, gang?
Jay hard.
I gotta show you something though.
Jay fast.
I gotta show you something though.
What you gotta show me?
I'm about to show you.
What you gotta show me?
I'm about to show you. It took off. Oh my god. Nah, this shit is active.
Oh, that shit was hard.
Bro, this gonna be way faster than this when I'm done with it. Like, way faster than this. What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
Who the fuck driving us on this bitch?
What the fuck? I hope we don't hit that car right there. Oh shit! It's a curve right there! Yo, don't hit the curve. We about to hit the curve, Yeah, we about to hit the curve. Let's put the emergency brake on. What the fuck? Yo!
Hit it for real.
It was close, it didn't hit it though. Whoa, it don't get no closer than that. What the fuck? That's actually crazy. It didn't hit the curb though. Oh Oh shit! What the fuck? Yo, do not hit that car, bro. What the fuck?
No.
What the fuck? Yo, who gave you niggas money? What the fuck? What did signal lights and all, bro? It just put it in park. Did it just park itself? Yo, nah, this is crazy. Nah, this actually wild as fuck, dog. I ain't gonna lie. And smooth that bitch too. Nigga just hopped out the car and let this bitch park itself.
Ain't nobody in the driver's seat. What the fuck?
So the M5 comp has arrived, man. 2021 M5 competition, dog. I ain't gonna cap. I had the car for about a day now, and I absolutely love it, bro. This car is finna go crazy for me. I'm not gonna lie. This is finna be one of them ones, gang. I'm just being honest, bro. Like, this is really finna be one of them ones, bro. 300 Blackout is the name of the car. Y'all do not know. Y'all don't follow my main channel. I have a tattoo, which is crazy. This is like a real life tattoo. I know it looked like somebody like drew on my hand, but this is like a real tattoo and it hurt. But anyway, this right here is a beginning. A beginning? This is a new beginning. Yeah. This is a new beginning, y'all. I had a bunch of my cars right here. I know when I first introduced Green Goblin, it was in the same exact spot. And probably a couple other cars I had. But 300 Blackout has now arrived, gang. This is called 300 Blackout, the Mopar Killer. This shit is crazy, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm finna end it off with a little drive. I'm not finna leave y'all hanging dry. No Diddy. Yo, that's no Diddy. Whoa. That's no Diddy for real, gang. Like, what? Oh, that nigga trying to dunk. Oh, this nigga over here trying to dunk. Oh, he trying to dunk. Okay, I fuck with the dedication, sir. Finna get y'all a little ride before I go ahead and wrap it up. Should we do 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive? We're gonna do 4-wheel drive. That's on some calm shit. A little cool 4-wheel drive. I mean, we could get ourselves a little spin in one time. I mean, one time wouldn't hurt, right? One time didn't hurt nobody, right? We get a launch, please. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Oh god. Damn. But this car's ridiculous, bruh.